Hi everybody, I have a really quick tip for you in how to find all the amazing recipes in our Facebook group. Check it out. Okay, so I don't know if you remember, but I created a tags file where we can find things easily. Well, here's our Facebook group, 28 Days Keto. Check this out. So here's our group, and I'm posting all kinds of fun recipes, but things can get all over the place. Just go to the search this group where you see the magnifying glass and key in recipe. And then hit enter. Voila, look at this. Is this amazing? Look at all these recipes. They're just loaded with, okay, check this, keto meal in a jar. This is so much fun to take, and people will ask you, what are you eating? It's amazing. Okay, check out these. The tasty turmeric coconut cream cups. They are out of this world. And then this is another favorite of mine you can't go wrong with. You can do this with your eyes closed. You don't need a measuring cup. Just throw the ingredients together. Warm ranch crack dip. This stuff, you've got to check out all these recipes. Just come in here, key the keyword in here called # recipe, hit enter, and go take a look. You're going to love it.